Hi, in this video I want to show you about the bus tool. Here we are on the schematic window and say for example in your circuit you have an IC and a connector and all the 7 pins are supposed to be connected to this port, that is PD0 to PD6. You don't want PD7. So the normal way to do it is we will connect each line one by one. That is, we take this, we go all the way and connect it up here, and then we go for the other one. Similarly, we keep going for all the lines, and you can see how clumsy it becomes. There are just too many wires and too many lines flowing from one point to another, and it becomes very difficult in case you have to do some debugging in this, and there are high chances of something going wrong as well. So what do we do in this case? We can keep going for the other two lines also. Instead of this, we have a better option that is called the bus option, which is this. Let me first delete all these lines and we will then add the bus here, and we'll see how to add all these lines to the bus and how to take them out as well. So here we select the bus option and we will just lay it around here. This is only for the schematic. We don't need it on the board. It's just to keep the schematic clean. Now, this is the bus we have laid out here. Let's give it a name. The way we name it is we include in the name all the signals that we want. In this example, let's give the names PD0 to PD6. We'll give PD and then in square brackets we'll give 0 double dot 6. Now you see, when I right click on this, I get the net option here, net, and it gives me all the signal names PD0, PD1 up to PD6. Similarly, if I don't want it as a group of names like as an array, I can also give it let's take the names which are mentioned here. We'll take RXD, TXD, INT0, INT1. We'll say RXD, sorry, TXD, INT0, INT1. Now when we right click and select net, we get the 4 names here which we had entered. But let us go back and give the name PD0 to 6. It makes it easier for us in this example. PD0 double dot 6. Now I'll just connect the signals. I take net PD0, I'll connect to this line. Then again I take net PD1, then net PD2, net PD3, and I'll take here net PD6. Now here what I will do, I'll do the same thing here as well. I'll take net PD0, I'll take net PD1. Similarly, I'll take net PD6. Now you see, when I use the show option, we have seen that using the show option will highlight all the signals which are connected together. As soon as I click this, oops, I seem to have made a mistake. I think I've selected the same name here. We'll see for 6. You see, we had PD6 here and PD6 is getting selected here. Let us remove this one and select PD1. Net PD1. We'll see now. Yes, we have PD0 which is going all the way through the bus and coming out here. So you see, we have reduced the number of lines here, and it is also making our diagram much more neat and reduces the chances of errors.